Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have Griffin here with us this afternoon. As you can see, Griffin's a big, strong guy, so it takes all my old man's strength to move his bones. And Griffin's been here one time at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. And Griffin, how would you describe your first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
Good and surprising.
So you'd watched us on YouTube, right?
Yes, I have.
And that's how you found us?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, and did what I did on you the first visit, was that similar to what you expected to get from watching our YouTube videos?
I didn't expect that much. It was quite a bit.
It was more than you expected?
Yes, it was.
Well, I like meeting people's and exceeding people's expectations, so that's good.
All right.
All right, let's take a look at you. Let's flex your head forward and backwards. We take care of some big boys here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, like Griffin. Griffin played football back in neutral. You were a defensive end, right?
Yes.
If I remember right?
Yes.
Never bit of one, too. Still sleeping on your side, though, I see.
Actually, last night I slept on my back.
Okay.
But I try to sleep on my back all the time, but sometimes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to do the decompression on you first today.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and lay you down on that table first, on your back.
All right.
I'm just changing the paper here. There we go. All right. Rear end right here. Head up that way, please, sir. So if any of you guys got questions about can I ring ding somebody as big as Griffin or yourself, just watch our YouTube videos because you'll see a bunch of big patients in here. What are you, about 6'8"? 6'6"?
No, 6'3".
6'3". Well, you look bigger now.
It would be a fit through your door.
Huh?
6'8" wouldn't be a fit through your door.
Yeah, that's a good point. You'd be needing your head adjusted then. Yeah, just relax. Oh yeah, boy, that was a home run.
Oh yeah.
I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down.
No, you don't.
There. Okay, I got you. Oh yeah, good job. Griffin Relax is really good when he gets adjusted. That helps the adjustments a lot when you just breathe through your nose and relax and let me do it. Works better when I do it, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so let's have you come over here on your tummy next, please, sir. And face right up in here. Left leg is short by about a ½ an inch. That's probably why your knee's hurting. And it gets longer when I bring it up. That probably tightens up in your knee, your low back, and your hips. Probably a little bit in your thighs even. So I'm going to start off adjusting your left SI joint. There. And then the right one. Sacrum, straight superior to inferior. Driving that away from L5, and then L5, straight P to A on the Z axis. Okay. Well, my feet about leave the ground, adjusting you, Griffin. Yeah, you tight as a rail today. Okay. Whew. Now, legs are even now, though. This should feel a little easier to you this time, Griffin, than the previous one.
Yes, it does. It does. Yeah.
Okay. Slide down this way just a little bit, please, sir. Griffin's vertebrae about the size of a small Volkswagen. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. See, doing this for 36 years like I have on big guys like you, Griffin, is how I got my old man strength.
Oh, okay.
Let's go ahead and put your arms out like that for me now. Upside down a little bit. Yep. Not the same kind of strength you got, but I can still get the job done.
All right. That's all that counts.
That's right. Okay. There you go. I think we'll have to name this one Old Man Strength versus Young Man Strength. There you go. Super. Feel that all the way up?
I did.
Good. Feel that in your knee as well?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, let's sit you up, fix that away.
All right.
Oops, sorry about that. There it is, boy. I heard that one over at the height. There we go. There. There we go. That's it. Have you noticed your lifting improvement a little bit after your adjustment?
Actually did, yeah.
Good.
I did.
Okay, let's stand up right here in front of the mirror. Okay, let's have you close your eyes again, Griffin, and bend your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Yeah, good. Take a look at that, my friend. You squared off like a military guy.
Yeah, it was a little better.
Let's pull this. Yeah, it's better. So we have these here. Now I'm going to bring that head straight back and then look at the wall behind you. Now try that again, Griffin. Tell me if this feels any different to you this time.
My body's already sitting a little taller.
It's smoother, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Good. So there's a lot of big guys like yourself out there watching this on YouTube, and they're wondering if a little chiropractor like me can adjust a big guy like you. What would you tell them?
Hey, you guys just saw it, but so it is. You can do it. And it feels good, too.
Yeah.
It really does. And just lifting, you do need some adjustments over a period of time. Lifting, squatting, deadlifting, things like that, you need adjustment. So.
So you're doing this not only for the pains that you've experienced, but also to improve your peak performance, right?
Absolutely.
And it's helping to do that.
Yeah, it is.
Great.
Yes, I needed it.
And this is only number 2, man.
This is number
it gets
2.
better.
More to come.
That's right.
All right.
More to come from your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.